Question number 20. A cell of EMF 4 volt and negligible internal resistance is connected to 3 resistors as shown. 2 resistors of resistance 2 ohm, 3 ohm, okay, are connected in parallel. Okay, fine. What power is dissipated one of the 2 ohm resistors and in the whole circuit? What power is dissipated here? What is the power here? And what is the total power? Okay, so to calculate the power, what should I do? First, find out what is the total resistance here. How do I find total resistance? See, these two are in parallel, right? So this should be 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by Rp. 1 by Rp. So this whole thing is 1 by Rp, right? This whole thing is 1 by Rp. So this is your Rp here. So this should now be equal to 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 is 1. Rp is equal to 1 ohm. So this 1 ohm plus 1, this 1 ohm will be 2 ohms. So total R total should be equal to 2 ohms, right? So if R total is equal to 2 ohms, and now the circuit becomes like this. This is your power supply 4 volt, and this is your RT. Then what is the power dissipated across RT? The total power dissipated P should be equal to V square by RT, which should be equal to how much? 16 divided by RT is 2, which should be equal to 8 watt. So therefore these two are correct, these two are incorrect. Okay, now let us look at the next one. So what do I need? I need the power here. Now what is the current which has been come out from here? Okay, total resistance is what? 2 ohms. So if this is 2 ohm, what is the current here? Current here should be equal to potential difference by resistance, which should be 4 by 2, which should be 2 amperes. So a current of 2 amperes comes over here. It comes here, it comes here. So here it is 2 amperes, right? Let me rub this if there is no clarity here. Let me erase this one part here. Okay, so here it is 2 amperes over here. So when this is 2 amperes over here, what will happen? 2 equal resistance. So here also 1 ampere and here also 1 ampere. What is that you need? You need the power across here. What is the power here? Power 2 ohms. Power 2 ohm is equal to how much? I squared into R, right? What is I square here? I square is 1 square multiplied by R is 2. So this should be totally 2 ohms over here. So the answer is, sorry, 2 watts. 2 watts. So one should be 8, other should be 2 watt. 8 and 2 watt. So answer is D. D is correct.